Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find your QR code on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. And first open up Facebook app, then right here tap add search icon on that magnifying glass icon, and then add the search box. Just type in QR code and then hit on search. That shows you different results, but you have to tap add that very first at the very top just right here, and it opens up QR code scanner by default. So now you can take your device and scan for some QR code, but in order to find your QR code you should up right here where it says QR code, and that shows you QR code for your Facebook profile. So now you can share this QR code wherever you want. I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.